Thank you very much, and I appreciate you all coming out here to Laguna Tickets to our victory. And you're a good crowd. You're a fantastic crowd, I must say. Thank you for coming.
Thank you all. Now, who in the second place team? Come on up here. Please welcome to the podium, Yannick Domas and Bob Wallach. Actually, I believe you need to be over. What's on your place, Bob? Second place, yes, you're right over here. You're quite right. Yannick Domas and Bob Wallach, congratulations, gentlemen, on a wonderful drive. Not quite enough to get them today, but the partial squad did put in a good one, Yannick. Thank you.
Well, I think it's a good result, obviously, and it's a